Okay, so this is the Hplc machine. To switch on the machine, you have to on the button for the controller, then switch on the UV detector for organic compounds, turn on the degasser, and then turn on the pump. So before you do any sampling, you have to purge the machine. So half turn the valve, make sure the word drain is facing on top, and press purge. So once you press the purge button, the solution will be coming out from this side. So this thing will take place for about 5 minutes. Once the purge is done, you have to tighten the valve so the word drain should be facing downwards and press pump. And then you should be able to see a slower flow rate over here. Go to the computer and double click on the icon. This will come out. Click on the first processor and the software will be open. If you don't know what parameters to use for your sample, look for this book, which can be located right beside the GC, the gas chromatography machine. Go to compounds index, and in this case we are interested in ascorbic acid. Find the page number 16, go to page 16, and you'll be able to see the graph. So this is ascorbic acid peak, and these are the conditions that you need for running the Hplc. So after you get the parameters, key in the parameters accordingly to the book. So if your wavelength is 210, enter 210 here, and then key in the end time accordingly. Make sure that the pump is always on isocratic flow, and the pump flow is the rate as stated in the book. Click download. Now the parameters will be transferred over to the machine. To start your sampling, press single start. So the sample name is here, you have to change accordingly. Sample ID can be the description, or you can fill in more description over here. The method file, please choose the method file that you are using and then save it according to your file name. So once all these are done, click OK. Before you press anything or inject sample, check that this thing is out, but do not click on the start button. Take your prepared sample and then prepare the syringe. This is a 50 microliter syringe. You can see 50 microliter. Okay. So prepare the syringe by drawing 3 times from your sample. As our loop is only a 20 microliter loop, we only need 20 microliter of sample. So if there is an air bubble, discard, retake. Only inject the sample when there is no air bubble. Take your sample and come to the injection loop. First, you have to put your needle in, then lift up to load. While loading, make sure that your hands are not shaking and do it one shot. This is to prevent any air bubbles. Then after that, bring it down and take out the needle. At this part, the machine should start running by itself. So once you're done, you will see this graph, chromatograph. This sample has 2 peaks. So in order to read the values, go to View, select Peak Table. The area under the peak will indicate which peak it is. So for the highest peak, it should be the one with the highest volume. So when you find the one with the highest volume, the retention time is indicated here. So this is the sample that you are looking